Hello everyone, welcome back to another video on the channel. Hope you're all doing good. Starting off this one, going to be doing a bit of maintenance on the A3, just changed the ABS pump, so got to bleed the brakes now. So I'll get a bit of footage of doing that and show you all how it's done. It's not too difficult to be fair. We're trying to get a good pedal and then go from there. Boom, show you. Not sure how good the audio will be. I'll try and see if Charlie the editor can do anything about it, but yeah, gonna get the bonnet open, get the wheels. Can do one wheel at a time, focusing the ABS. So the back driver side, back offside first, and then see back offside, back near side, and then driver side front, offside front, and then near side front, and then go from there and see how, if we can get a pedal back. But yeah, it's not too difficult to do, to be fair. Show you as we go along. Boom. Just putting the, I don't know how well you'll be able to hear this, just putting the last wheel now on the car. Bled the brakes. You start from the furthest from the ABS pump, so you start on this one, then you go to the other back one, and then you go back to the driver's side front one, and then you come back to the passenger front one. I've just checked the clutch and the pedal and they feel amazing, so fingers crossed I sorted it. Boom. Have a pedal. Yeah. Yes! And we got a clutch. Yes! I'm so happy. Yes, we've got a good pedal. Ah, yes. Yes! We've got a good pedal. Oh, sorry, the light might be a bit awful. Just on VCDS now, trying to code the ABS pump. As you can see, still got the ABS lights flashing, so I'll let you know I got on just coding the new module. I'm doing this with ChatGPT, by the way, so see how we get on. Hello everyone, hope you're all doing well. This should be one of the clips in, gonna say Friday or Monday's video. So yeah, just had Christian the mechanic sent me a video. He's got my black Audi A3 running, my 2-litre TFSI. That car has had so much work done and he's got it running. You don't understand how happy I was. I was screaming. I was jumping up and down screaming. I was so happy that car's done. He's been working on that car for a very long time. He's a busy boy and he works hard, but he's finally got it done. I bought it thinking, yeah, I'm the big bee's knees, I'm the big bollocks and I can fix it. And I did not have a clue how to fix it. So Christian dived deep into it and he's cracked it. He's got it running and it's running lovely. I'll get Charlie to put a video in now. Thanks, Charlie. So yeah, that's going pretty well. Joe the mechanic had him on the phone this morning. The Seat Leon is nearly ready. Turbo's on. He's just sorting out the DPF. If you know what I mean, you know what I mean. And that was nearly ready. Got a viewing on the Seat Leon next week. The black DSG Audi, I'm not sure if I'm going to keep it or not. I'm in two minds whether to keep or sell. My white Audi, I've got a viewing on that tomorrow. It's Tuesday, say for me, not for you guys. I've got a viewing on that tomorrow. So I'm not sure if I'm going to sell that and say it and keep my black DSG or not. I'm not too sure. I'll let you know what goes on and that and what happens, but I wouldn't mind having a DSG back in my life because I used to have one and I miss it so much. Daily in a DSG is unreal. Honestly, they're such good cars. The way you could just stomp on them, they just drop a gear and fly. Honestly, they're brilliant. If you've not driven DSG, you won't understand, but yeah. So I'll let you know all what's going on. I'll put a clip in of the Audi running from Christian and obviously go from there. But it's looking like I might be getting rid of the white Audi. I'm not too sure. But yeah, I'll let you know. And then, boom! Also, I forgot to mention, after you've replaced the ABS pump and you've bled the brakes, you need to get VCDS. You can either go and buy a third-party cable or device off AliExpress. I might put a link in the description below. It's like £15 a cable. You want to do that, and then basically go when you buy it, message the seller, say can I have a link to download the software. Basically make sure you've got WinRAR or a RAR software downloaded on your computer, so then when you download the file and you've received the cable and that, then you extract the file and then you follow the instructions on the thing to basically download it. Then you open VCDS and plug the cable into the car. Don't use genuine VCDS software, otherwise you'll brick the cable straight away. I learned this hard way. And then you basically plug it in the car, and then you have to go to ABS, and then you need to have the coding off the old pump. I couldn't do that because my old pump died and it had no communication at all. But if you can get communication off the old pump, you need to do this before you replace the ABS pump. Sorry, I should have mentioned it before. And then once you've done that, then you can copy the code off the old pump to the new pump. If not, you can either use ChatGPT, I've been trying to use, and that's been kind of working, or get hold of a VW coding specialist. There's plenty around the country, so wherever you are in the world. So yeah, it has to be coded, otherwise you have faults with steering angle sensor, your speedo won't work and your ABS won't work. You have loads of flashing lights on the dash and you'll have a crap pedal, so make sure you code it with VCDS. So yeah, boom. Hello people, welcome back to another video. Just gonna service the Audi. So got all my gear here, got the got a drainer, PTFE tape for the sun plug so that stop it leaking, that to pour the oil into a container, just got a rag, fuel filter, oil filter, Castrol 540 PD oil. Yeah, just gonna whip the oil filter off, get a towel underneath the car, jack it up, loosen the oil filter. I've put some oil flush in it and just run it around the block to get all the give it a clean out, and then yeah, just gonna get jacked up, get the wheel off to put under the car to support, just in case it falls on me. And then yeah, I'll put a little time lapse in. Boom. Also, I just want to say a massive thank you all for watching. We've just hit 220 subscribers, which if you don't understand what that means to me, honestly, to know that many people have subscribed to my channel and watched me, that's a lot of people. If you put 220 people in a room, that is a lot of people. So thank you all from the bottom of my heart for watching. I really, really appreciate it. And I appreciate all of you, every single one of you. So yeah, thank you so much for doing that. Thank you for hitting the like button and subscribing. I really appreciate that. We're only going to get bigger and bigger, and the videos are only going to get better. So yeah, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Boom!